Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to switch a creator or professional account on Instagram. So here we have Instagram app, just open it and then go to your profile page, clicking on this icon. So guys, this is your profile page. Now you have to click the three option bar button on the top right corner of the screen. So here scroll down and we are looking for this account type and tools. Just click on it. So here you have to click on switch to professional account. So now click on next. So here you have to choose the type of account. So I am choosing artist. Just click to switch to professional account. So the creator is the right choice for this, but you can also switch to business. I'm choosing creator and then click on next. Okay, next you have to continue all. Continue. So continue this again and continue, allow and finish it. It will take some moments, so click on continue. Set up your professional account. So guys, here you have successfully changed your account to a professional account. Thanks for watching. Until next video, bye bye.